this video I am going to share you the unboxing of the product, which is HP K260, which is a wireless budget keyboard. You can able to purchase it from Amazon, almost 800 rupees. So let's move on to the unboxing. So this is the box in which the HP K260 wireless keyboard is coming. And also you can see the features in this image, that it comes with 2.4 gigahertz wireless connection, and also the HP keyboard, as it is a budget keyboard, but again they are providing 3-year limited warranty, and that is also great for a budget keyboard. So first of all, let's open the box and find out what are the things that are given by HP on this box. So yes, you can see there is keyboard, a paper, and a AAA battery. As I think it is the user guide. Yes, it is the user guide, and the AAA battery, that is also great. So wow, the one thing that I noticed in this keyboard is that the plastic quality is really good. The previous generation of HP K series was really bad. I had purchased HP K160 keyboard, and that's plastic quality was really bad. But now they have improved a lot and the keys are really smooth. So now let's move on to the back side of the keyboard. Yes, you can see a little small hump on the back top side. So that will help you to uh, work on the keyboard for a long time without strain on your hand. And also here is the place where the AAA battery is plugged in, and you can see the USB type A also available on there. So you can start using this keyboard by plugging this USB type A on your computer, laptop, or your mobile phone, or even your tablet also. You don't need to install any kind of software for using this keyboard. It will work directly. So that is all in this video, and after 2 months I will create another video sharing the review of this keyboard. So thanks for watching.